Well, today we've got to put more trail liners down. We have had just one storm after another, terrorizing our whole region. So we just had a crazy windstorm. It is so crazy. We're getting like 60 plus mile per hour winds today all day. It was an all-day event from morning until night where we had, I think it's the worst windstorm I've ever experienced actually in my life here. Some people will be like, oh, that's just anything else. But wind gust in our backyard, 75 miles per hour. It was like that all day, whipping around, swirling around, just insane. Our house took a little bit of damage that we've got to fix now. A lot of our trees have split, so it's unfortunate because we've already cut a couple of them. And I didn't want that to happen. I love our trees, but now it is a danger to falling on somebody or something, including the house. So it's really, really unfortunate. This March has just been absolutely insane for the weather. And guess what? We're not over with. Tonight, more severe thunderstorms followed by snow right behind it. Like we could get like 5 inches of snow when it's all said and done. So it's quickly warming up outside and then storms will come through and then it's gonna just drop like a rock, that temperature, and then it's gonna be snow. And it's just, we can't get a break. This March has been the most crazy March I can remember ever. So we've taken damage here, not fun. And we've got a lot of work to do. But guess what? That mini bike right there, that's Neutron. I built all three of these myself. Neutron, we're gonna be using Neutron to tow the rust bucket wagon. And we're gonna be towing the trail liners we created out of the trees that broke. So I'm gonna be putting them into place today. All right, here is how I have it tied to the mini bike. Away from the chain and sprocket is the best idea. Once again, we'll turn the camera. So, there's the one on the left side. We're gonna put one on the right side, like that. Always lift with your legs, not your arms and your back. You'll kill your back. Here we go. Right here. Two this time. So these are a little lighter, so I think I can get away with it. good. Oh, one of the logs fell out. That's why we gotta go slow. I was only going about 67 miles an hour. No more than that. Don't be speed racer. Even I think I was going a little too fast, honestly. Turning it all back to nature. We got those really rare clouds there.
with like giant like molten pillows and marshmallows. So this is the damage here. We've got some ideas though. We've actually used and reused a lot of this wood here. So smart idea. We're thinking about some big bird houses. All right, well, here's a wall of wood that I built here. Almost reminds me of like a old medieval castle, like a wall for a really wooden castle, but you'd have to put like a filler in between the gaps, but yeah. Somebody's doing target practice. So the idea for these two giant logs, we're gonna line our main fire pit behind the barn with them to, you know, kind of keep the fire in check, keep it from spreading to the grass and the brush nearby. So the other two that we had were decaying and rotting away, and they were charred up really bad, so this is their replacement. A bunch of sawdust everywhere. Really, really beautiful trees. Had to suffer the fate that they did, but here, the trees, one of them was 37 years old. I counted all the rings. These are not as big, so probably younger, but the one tree, yep, it's unfortunate. So it started growing in the 1980s, and 2026 was the year that nature didn't want it no more. So here's a closer look of the split. You can see it's kind of connected there, and then it starts to separate apart, which is very dangerous to be around for property and people. There's a fire over there. That is a giant mound of ash that I've ever seen. So this is one tree right here, actually. It's split into a Y. So just to make that clear. All right, here are some new trail liners coming up here. This is our little campsite here. We had a tent here last year, and then over there as well. So this is my site right here. Yep. And then that's a little retaining wall there. And then this is my brother's site over here. This is a tad bit lower lying. Yep. So that's the new trail liner. That one. Some of these right here. Yep, this is one of them. That's another. Boom, 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 and go ahead and go this way. So we got the trails all blown off here. Won't last forever, but that's another one right there. Get to see the moss. That's a new one too. That's one right there. Right here. By the way, this is our compost pile. So we're gonna be adding more to it this year. That's eggshell right there. Those are some of the eggs that I ate the other night. And well, I eat eggs quite often, so. There's one there, and there. And then one here, and one right here. So we're reusing the wood from the trees so that it's not a total waste. And what's good is that over time you can get bugs that can nestle into it, like good bugs. It can also put nutrients into the ground as it starts to decay. So just returning it to nature in a different way rather than burning it. Well, we just do it to beautify the property, honestly. So we want to beautify our lot as much as we can and as cheaply as we can too. So, all right, here's the stone pipes. There's a new one there. There's one right there. And we got a bigger one behind it. Another, 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 and another, and another. And then we reused a few of these that were here before. So these pipes were here before we even bought the property. They were just dumped back here from, I guess, maybe a neighborhood project or something like that. And then there's another one right there. It's growing moss on the top of it. All right, so it's getting a lot more windy out again. We just did all the work and we have the front moving through like a big wall of wind. The storms are approaching sometime here in the very near future today. So we'll wait and see what happens. There's a cute little duck over there. So let's go look at him. There he is. Where's Mama? Usually they got Mama. Oh.
Are you the bomb? She's getting high off the stick of dynamite. It's got that kitty stuff in it. We call it catnip.